Hey guys, it's me, Olivia, aka Olivia's Gamer One, and I'm going to give you a house tour of this big, beautiful house. So first, we're going to start up on the roof. Some upstairs, and then all of this is windows, and that's my bedroom. All of this is my bedroom, and then there are my stairs, and then it's the same on the other side. So once we open the door. As we open the door, we'll come to this big room, and this is my fridge. It has my drinks at the top and my foods at the bottom. I'm good for my fish wrapping it. Then this is my crafting table when I'm in survival. Then that's my cocoa when I'm in survival. And then we'll come up these stairs, and we have my doggy, and I haven't named her yet. And then we have her chest. In her chest, she's gonna have a brother. And there's a lead, a bone, and another wolf egg. Dogs or wolves, so you can get wolf eggs. And then here's my beautiful bedroom. So I know my bedroom's a bit big, and in my sugar box there isn't really anything in it. And then this is my bed. I can only sleep at night, thanks. And I have this April name tag that I'm gonna name my dog. So I'm gonna go down and see if I can name her. Oh, sorry. No, okay. I'll search that in. How to put a name tag on a dog in Minecraft.
Here's what I found on the web for how to put a name tag on a dog in Minecraft.
Okay. I'm talking to somebody. So, um, I know now. So, I'm going to give him stay. So, I'll just go down and cut that. I'm just going to let that cook. And I'm going to give you the rest of my tour. So, done their perfection, you know. And then I said to put it on. Huh? Huh? I don't know, I'm not naming my dog, but yeah, basically, yeah. So basically I'm just gonna put some things in my choco box. No, I'm not. I'm gonna do my game mode. Game mode S. And then this is totally normal. Okay? and I'm going to have a balcony, so this should be interesting. Ouch. I just lost some of my hearts, but I'm getting back now. Where's my dog? Oh shoot, my dog's there. Ew. So, because I'm not taking very good care of my dog. Okay. I need to go get April. I'll call her April once I find out how to. That's when I'll call her April. Come on, April. April, come on. Listen to your mama. Now that I can, going to, I'm gonna set my game mode. I'm a creator. I'm gonna get dog. So then I'm gonna do 2 rows of black gray. There. Oh. And then I'm going to go in and get some shoot. Um, there. I have a balcony now. But let me just warm my horse for a second. But thank you all so much. Hopefully there's no sound. I'm good. But thank you so much, guys, for watching my house tour, basically. I'd love to see you guys in my next video. Bye!